Hi and welcome back. Towards the end of this module, you'll create your own account and manage it accordingly. Then you'll start looking up for anything interesting and relevant, following fellow bloggers of similar interest. You'll learn to publish your first post and optimize it. Finally, we'll explore the top most used tags by the majority of Tumblr users. Starting off, you need an active email account to register for Tumblr. This is the Tumblr's homepage for unregistered users. Click Sign Up. Once it's done, you'll be directed to a page welcoming you to Tumblr. Enter your relevant username. If you're signing up as a business, it's advisable to use your company's name. Continuing, you'll see a page with multiple things suggested for you to follow. You can follow as many as you want. Once you've made your pick, click Next. You'll see a loading screen where Tumblr is automatically optimizing your choices and building up your dashboard accordingly. Here's your dashboard. Tumblr will then help you navigate through your dashboard. First, you'll be taught on liking a post. Clicking the heart button will notify the person who posted it to get a like. That's one of the main items you aim for when posting something relatable to your business in Tumblr. The more likes you get, the more users will be directed to follow you. Then you'll be taught to reblog a post using the icon beside the heart. Reblogging a post will allow the post to be on your blog so your follower can see it. Keep in mind, other users may also reblog your post. When you click Reblog, you have the options to add comments on the post. What's more, you can add tags to it too. Plus, you have the choice to either reblog it instantly, add to your queue post, save in your draft, post it privately, or even schedule the post. You also have the option to share it amongst your followers or to other platforms as well. Either way, this will help your company reach and expand across multiple users in Tumblr.